Good morning, class. Let us come now on lesson 3. Lesson 3 is about the history of forensic photography. In this topic, we are talking about the history and evolution of police photography, which is largely based on the history of photography itself. The historical accounts enumerated in this module source several photography and forensic sciences books. They are mostly based on the Western point of view. The major forensic events, milestones, and court citation will describe the European or American experience. We have here, class, the prehistoric or the pre-photographic historic. Wherein, during that time, they are just only using camera obscura. Camera obscura, that was the Latin word of dark room or dark chamber. It is a certain device shaped like a box or a room that let the light through the small opening on one side and project it to another side. It was illustrated on your module on page 13. This is, class, what we so called camera obscura. Wherein, during that time, there is no camera. There is no Canon. There is no there is no Canon. What kind of camera that we are nowadays? Just because of that, they are just only using the camera obscura. The simplest variant image outside the back is projected upside down. Okay, then camera can be used as a mirror, project image upward, right side up, then can also be or have a lenses. Camera obscura is used as an aid for drawing and entertainment. The evolution of camera obscura includes the addition of lenses. That was in 1550. Further addition of lenses and curved mirror to produce upright image, and the invention of diagram that was on that date. The important dates and outline of prehistoric events in the history of photography, it was already enumerated in your module. The dates and the events. Okay, what happened to that dates? It was already enumerated on your module. And those personalities who discovered the photography, that was also enumerated, including the pictures, okay, of those contributors as far as photography is concerned. Okay, let us proceed now the beginning of forensic imaging. Okay, police photography perhaps to be traced in 1851 with French photographers. Okay, that was here. Okay, the illustration. Beginning of forensic images in 1851 with scientific examination of fake color of daguerreotype. Okay, that was in 1951. Okay, wanted poster photograph used as an evidence. Okay, wanted, this is now the wanted pictures or photographs in 1851. In 20th century, okay, we have many important development as far as photographic technology and forensic photography is concerned. It was summarized below. This is now the dates, and the discovery of that dates. It was already enumerated on this module. Okay. Those personality, beyond the success of photography was already enumerated on this module. Kindly read also. And we have also Alphonse Bertillon. Alphonse Bertillon, he is also invented many techniques that contributed in the field of criminology. One of which is the invention of the mugshots, wherein when he completed his military training and became the minor clerk in the Paris police, he began to use the anthropological statistics or the anthropometric techniques in solving central problem, plugging the department identification practices. Therefore now, the department had accumulated number of image in a real way utilize them. Okay, therefore class, Alphonse Bertillon also used photograph in order to identify personality. That was class, our lesson this morning about the history of forensic photography. On page 19, we have here the self-assessment question. It was question number 3. We have 5 questions. What you are doing, you have to write your answer on your module, okay, on the space provided. You have to write your answer on the space provided. And then take photo. Take photos of your answer and send it to the Google Classroom. Okay, take note class, isusulat nyo po yung sagot nyo dito sa page 19 at saka isesend nyo po sa Google Classroom. Okay, that's all for this morning. Thank you and God bless to all.